For $198 a year, Envato Elements is extreme value, especially if you compare it to something like Adobe Stock. Let's just take a look at this. $30 a month with them, and you only get 10 standard assets or one video a month. Are you kidding me? One video a month for $30 a month. And that's with an annual commitment. And again, if we take a look at ShutterStock, which they have videos as well, just for their standard license pack here, $49 for just 5 downloads within a year. I mean, whereas you can go over here, $198, unlimited downloads, extremely high quality, not only photos and videos, but many other templates and graphics and things. And also you get that lifetime commercial license. So the value here is immense, and I highly recommend Envato Elements. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. It's an affiliate link that will help support the channel at no extra cost to you, and I would greatly appreciate it. And I'm so high on Envato Elements right now because for years I've been looking at these other things like Adobe Stock and ShutterStock, and yeah, they have great quality images and videos, but it's just not affordable for the common person. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.